What if I told you that skipping rest days could be the very reason your body isn't changing, no matter how hard you train? Most people think more workouts mean faster results. But the truth is, your muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow when you rest. When you exercise, you actually create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. That's a good thing. But those muscles only rebuild stronger during recovery. If you train every single day without rest, your body never gets the chance to fully repair itself. That's when progress slows, fatigue builds up, and injuries start showing up. Rest days don't mean being lazy. They mean being smart. During rest, your body restores energy, balances hormones, and reduces inflammation. This is especially important if you're lifting weights, doing intense bodyweight workouts, or pushing yourself hard every session. Now here's the key point many people miss. Rest doesn't always mean doing nothing. Active recovery like walking, stretching, mobility work, or light yoga can actually improve blood flow and help muscles recover faster without stressing them. So how many rest days do you need? For most people, 1 to 2 rest days per week is ideal. If you feel constant soreness, low motivation, or poor sleep, your body is already asking for recovery. Train hard, but recover harder. Because real transformation happens when effort and rest work together. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to set the bell icon on all, so you never miss a new motivational video.